As per our ongoing yearn.finance cost forecast, the worth of yearn.finance will expanded by 252.07%, coming to $19,401.98 by end of 2025. All specialized pointers explicitly demonstrate that the ongoing feeling is unbiased, while the trepidation and covetousness record basically is perusing 47.15, which sort of means pretty intense apprehension. Our yearn.finance gauge, its hold yearn.finance at the present time, on September 17, 2023. Practically generally specialized investigation pointers flagged bullish signs, while different markers flagged negative signs, showing an especially broad impartial feeling among yearn.finance cost expectations, or so they really thought. See the specific yearn.finance cost expectation underneath. You will know how much yearn.finance for the most part is in every practical sense worth in the next few long stretches of time. Over the genuinely most recent 30 days, yearn.finance has expanded by 1.20%. Because of this, we can get with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month, or so they basically thought. Toward the finish of September, the worth of yearn.finance expanded by 119.21%. and came to approach around $11,955.90 in an unpretentious manner. As of now, all pointers essentially are demonstrating nonpartisan zone, and the apprehension and avarice record shows 47.15 intense feelings of trepidation, in spite of mainstream thinking. As indicated by our figure, this isn't the ideal opportunity to hold yearn.finance certainly. As of now, yearn.finance is exchanging beneath the 200 basic moving normal a significant way. For the most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a yearn.finance holding exceptionally signal. The cost of yearn.finance certainly is as of now running beneath the 50-day straightforward moving normal. SMA, and it essentially shows a sell signal. As per every single specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will essentially hit $7,089.29 toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, yearn.finance's momentary 50-day SMA shows a $5,841.68. The overall strength record, RSI, energy oscillator, is a well-known pointer that signals whether a digital money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI is presently at Ursivalu in an unpretentious manner. This shows that the YFI market is in a nonpartisan position. Yearn.finance value expectation 2023 in the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023, yearn.finance came to $8,001.50. When it dipped under $5,062.99, interestingly since January 2021. As per the financial backers and market sends out, yearn.finance especially is en route to passing the $11,975.09 mark before the current year's over. Before $11,975.09. It might break its sign of $93,435.53 and reach in opposition to mainstream thinking. As indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, yearn.finance will essentially break its past all-time high of $93,435.53. and truly hold somewhere in the range of $11,729.66 and $11,975.09 soon, or so they especially thought. At this point, on 17 September 2023, yearn.finance especially is exchanging at $5,454.09, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 12.84 M. and it makes number 135 cash in the entire crypto world. Yearn.finance value forecast 2024. There is plausible that yearn.finance can get through the $14,142.53 hindrance and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The kind of the least yearn.finance cost will by and large be between $11,713.69 to $14,142.53. And the most probable yearn.finance cost will be consistent at around $13,147.26. toward the finish of 2024. Despite yearn.finance's truly wild swings in esteem, and the debate encompassing its naturally antagonistic energy utilization, Tycoon Adventure, especially entrepreneur Tim Draper, is adhering to his expectation that yearn.finance will reach $14,142.53 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Yearn.finance Value Forecast 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists fundamentally foresee that YFI will essentially begin the year at $16,011.96 and exchange around $19,401.98 in opposition to mainstream thinking. As indicated by their expectations, this would be very kind of high, contrasted with most certainly last year, which is genuinely huge. This truly is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin in a significant way. Yearn.finance Value Expectation 2026. There is a decent opportunity that yearn.finance 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost, yet it is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal most extreme $24,903.04 level, or so they in every practical sense thought. Yearn.finance basically is certainly anticipated to really arrive at a record-breaking high of $23,927.23 or $24,903.04 in 2026. And it could essentially be the extended time of yearn.finance, which is genuinely critical. Yearn.finance Value Expectation 2027. Yearn.finance Value Forecast, or YFI, will encounter huge development in 2027, as it has the in every way that really matters, potential to accomplish new highs. As far as price tags and market cap, yearn.finance's cost is supposed to basically outperform $24,903.04 in 2027. It truly has been anticipated that yearn.finance will for the most part arrive at the sort of greatest cost of $24,903.04. And the truly least cost is supposed to be around $20,985.08 in the following a long time from 2027. Yearn.finance Value Forecast 2028. Market examiners and specialists generally say that yearn.finance value expectation and specialized examination, yearn.finance, certainly is supposed to especially cross a value level of $28,393.60 in 2028. In the meantime, yearn.finance is supposed to arrive at least cost of $25,895.97 this year. Amazingly, the most extreme cost may especially reach $29,478.08. Yearn.finance Value Forecast 2029. By the start of 2029, the yearn.finance value expectation and specialized